Now I'm going for prayers, but I'm just going to show you guys how to find a coin and day trade. How to find a coin that will do 10x, 50x or 100x within 24 hours or 48 hours. Some of you think I'm using magic. No, I'm not using magic because I've been doing it for a very long time. Anytime that I do my analysis, I know that this coin is going to either pump up or go down within 5 minutes of entry or 1 hour. Okay, so I'm just going to help you do that, so please pay attention. All right, if you are new to my channel, my name is Askanda and I teach people how to day trade, and I also show them, I share my trades for the people who don't have money to start day trading with huge capital. Okay, so what we can do is, I'm on a website called investing.com. First thing first, you need to go to a website called investing.com. There are three types of analysis that you must do before you enter a trade. First one is fundamentals. The fundamentals control the direction of the market. And we have technical analysis. This is personal. Technical analysis is your view of the market. And we have sentimental analysis. That is what is currently happening in the company that you are trying to trade. So when we say fundamentals, these are economic events that happen in the financial market. It determines the direction of the cryptocurrencies and the forex pairs in the long run. Okay, so what we can do is we'll go to investing.com, then we go to economic calendar. When you go to economic calendar here, check the top right hand side. You can see economic calendar, right? So you click on it. So when you click on it now, you can see like we have what we call today. So today's date is 4th March. Today's date is 4th March. That's Monday. We currently have news from United States. That's S&P Global Service. This is a major news that is currently happening around 6 p.m. or in the evening time. So it won't be that important. Okay, but anytime you are taking a trade and you come here, I did more explanation about this in one of my videos, so you can go and check it out. So when you come to this particular website, that's investing.com, then you check that here we have this news, and the news is happening around, let's say, 2:30 p.m, 1:30, between the hours of London session and New York session. When we say session, we are simply talking about the time that the stock market opens. For me, I only trade the two sessions. I either trade the London session or the New York session. If you are in Ghana or Nigeria, the London session open around 8 a.m. if you are in Ghana, and if you are in Nigeria, it open around 9 a.m. and closes 4 p.m. or let's say 5 p.m. in the evening time. So it's very important, before you take a trade from Monday to Friday, always make sure that you are taking the trade between the hours of either 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening time. Don't trade midnight. Usually, because cryptocurrencies move very fast, we have a lot of manipulation. So now that we know fundamentals that we have today and they are later in the day, so we can take a trade, right? The next part is for us to check the general direction of the market. So for us to check the general direction of the market, just go to a website called Crypto Bubble, right? So you go to a website called Crypto Bubble. So Crypto Bubble will tell you what the market is currently doing at this point. So for us to check here, we can see that the red coins are more than the green coins, meaning it's either Bitcoin is in a downtrend or Bitcoin is consolidating. It's very important you understand this. For you to know the direction of the market, if the altcoins here, the red altcoins, check the daily time frame. Don't use hourly or weekly. Use the daily time frame. So if you click on the daily time frame and you see that the red candles are more than the green candles, or the red coins are more than the green coins, meaning that the market is currently in a bearish trend. The sellers are in control. But if we see that the green coins are more than the red coins, that means people are currently buying, so you should also buy. This is just the direction of the market that I'm saying. Sometimes we become confused onto what to do. Always be at the side of where people are buying. If the market is going up, follow it. If the market is going down, follow it. Don't go and trade reversals. It's just like catching a falling knife. So please, if you check the market and it's going up, whether it's already 100%, what shows it won't still go up? Buy it up. Okay, so if the market is falling, you can see right now the altcoins, the shit coins are pumping up. We can see Jimsa here, we can see Flu, FTM, PP, CFX, WooCoin, we have AXL, Dodge, Bonk. All these are meme coins and they are rising very fast. So what we can do now is, because we know the direction of the market now, we know that the majority of the coins are red, meaning people are currently selling. This doesn't mean you should go and start selling coins. No, it's just telling you that in the past day, people are currently selling altcoins. And what you should observe is, don't trade on weekend. Weekend we have a lot of manipulation, and I'll show you the reason why we have a lot of manipulation. Because the banks are not working, an individual person who is rich can just decide to buy 10% of FTM and dump the price on people who don't know anything. But if it is on working days, it will be very difficult, because majority of people will also be trading it with huge capital. So what we can do now is we can just click here and we'll go to the last website. So the last website here is called Coin Market Cap. So you can select a coin without finding Coin Market Cap. So for us to start making money now, we just refresh the website. So when you refresh the website, check the right hand side, the left hand side, we have where we call trending section. So on the trending section we have three options. So I'm going to click on the trending section here and I'll show you the reason why you must. Okay, so I've just rotated Coin Market Cap here. So we now click on the trending section here. Okay, so when we click on the trending section, now you can see the market is very bullish. Within the past 7 hours or so, people are currently buying up. So what we can do now is, we can even see people making around 375% ROI. We have Floki here. We also have, so now we are going to click on the spotlight at the left hand side. So when we click on the spotlight, this is what you are going to be looking at. We have trending, biggest gainers, biggest losers. Now we can select a coin from either this particular biggest gainers, or we can select a coin from this particular place, biggest losers. What I want you to observe is this. Scroll down. When you scroll down and you click on the search box at the right hand side, so just click on it. So when you click on it, you can see this is what is currently happening. Pepe is 53%. We have these particular coins that are currently trending. So we have two coins for us to trade. We have Floki 1000 that is trending for about 6% in the past 24 hours. We have Pepe 2. So for us to enter a trade, these are the two coins we are going to be looking at, or three coins. We also have Shiba Inu. So I'm just going to open this coin on a new tab here. So now we have three coins. You see, very simple to select a coin. So now that we have three coins that we have to trade, we will now do our analysis. And I'm saying that before you take a trade, make sure that the coin is on Coin Market Cap. Also the coin. So when we go to the market section, we can see that Shiba Inu is listed on Binance, Coinbase, OKX, KuCoin. Is listed on all the exchanges. That means it's a legit coin. And you can even see the market volume in the past 24 hours have dropped, meaning that this coin is about to dump here. The volume is reducing, but the total market cap is increasing. This is just to tell us that people are now trying to sell this coin. It's drying up. So this coin will not be good for us to trade. What? Because the volume is going down and the market session. So we'll now move to the next coin again. So the next coin here is Pepe. So you can see in the past 24 hours, Pepe volume have increased about 83%, and the total market cap has also increased for us to take this trade. What we will do is we will go to trading view session. So when you are on trading view, now you click here, right? So when you click, you search for Pepe, you just type in 1000 Pepe here. So that's on. I'm going to be using Bybit for now because Binance is having some problems with regulations in some countries. So I'll now select Bybit. So we have .p. So always add .p to it so that at least you can be able to know that, okay, this is a coin that I'm selecting. So we have Bybit here. So I'll be using Bybit for now, guys. If you want, you can also move to Bybit. So you can see this is the current trend of Pepe 1000. It's currently making a bullish market trend. No one will tell you that this market is moving up. If you want to learn how I change my chart, make sure you follow me and also watch some of my videos. So remember, we are going to buy Pepe. We don't have to waste time because we know that the volume is increasing. And if the volume is increasing, no one will tell you that the market will still go up. But if the market, like let's say the volume is reducing but the market is currently going up, it's just a matter of time that the coin will dump. So let's say I'll just enter a long position using 1:3 risk reward ratio. Okay, so my trades are usually 1:3. This means that if I'm risking 10%, if it's not going well, if the trade goes well, I can make about 30% back. That's $30. If I'm risking $100, I can make about $300 if the trade goes well. This is how you should be trading, right? So this is how we select a coin and enter the market. Remember what I just told you. If you still have any questions, you can rewatch this video. So let's say we are going to trade Flocky 1000 again. So this one, let me just try and do this. Let me add my listing to it and share it with my community members. So we have IG at Y. This is my name here. So you can follow me on Instagram too, so that I can get free trades from me. So now we will click here. So after doing this, now let's say we want to select 1000 Pepe again. This is Flocky 1000 Flocky. So let's just use a name for this one. Okay, now we'll go back to this particular one too. So we have Flocky 2 is now down about 27% in volume, meaning it's drying up. So we can decide to sell this coin. So for us to sell the coin, the reason why we are selling it is because in the past 24 hours, the volume have reduced. The volume is always the one that is pushing the price to the upside. And if people are no more buying the coin, you see the volume reducing. So it's just a matter of time that this coin will go down. So this is how you select a coin and trade. I just showed you how to find a 1000 coin and trade. Now the next thing for us to do is let's go to Instagram. So you follow me on Instagram and also follow me on Binance if you want to get free trades from me. I'll advise you learn how to trade before you risk more than $100 of your hard-earned money. If not, you are going to lose the money and become depressed. You call crypto trading a scam. So I'm just saying, try to learn how to trade before you risk more than 10% of your portfolio on any trade. For me, if a trade is good and I'm going to take it, I'll risk not more than 10%. If I'm selling a coin, I'll risk not more than 5%. This is because cryptocurrencies are always increasing in value and you need to be very careful. You need to be extra careful. So in this video, I've just showed you how to do it. If you still want to join my private mentorship group on WhatsApp, you can text me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel